African tech ventures open the market at the London Stock Exchange, kickstarting a day of robust discussion at Africa Tech Summit, including hot topics like fintech and blockchain. On a continent with the world's youngest population, the tech industry is seen as vital to development and growth. Exporting tech solutions from Africa to the rest of the world will become more and more common, according to Tunde Kehinde, who runs a digital platform which helps small and medium enterprises access credit in just one day.
So I grew up just seeing how difficult it can be in a context in emerging markets where you're dealing with tough infrastructure, lack of access to funding to really achieve your dreams. And we said to ourselves, the traditional way of getting credit to SMEs is not working. Why don't we use technology and data to make loans without collateral, do risk-adjusted pricing, and more or less help any SME access the funds they need to grow.
Here at the Africa Tech Summit in London, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are just two of the buzzwords on everyone's lips. Google Trends shows an increased interest from the continent of 1.2 billion people, but it faces unique challenges.
Well, first of all, it's the lack of liquidity, the lack of exchanges. If you look at a country like Japan, where there's dozens of exchanges, or North America, where there's many ways to buy it, whether it's an ATM or it's an online exchange, you might be able to go to Fidelity, your asset manager, and purchase it, even through some of your banking apps. But in Africa, regulation has been a little bit slow and unclear. And in general, there's less financial institutions, there's less fintech companies, so there's just less opportunity to purchase.
Africa still isn't at the same level as the rest of the world in terms of cryptocurrency use. Limited access to smartphones, stable power supplies, and internet connection are just some of the stumbling blocks in the way. But with smartphone usage expected to jump exponentially to 67% by 2025, many investors are optimistic.
We still have the challenges of government's inability, to actually get with the program and raise the game, so to speak. But yes, I'm quite optimistic about 2025, given the level of youthful energy that is going into solution creation.
The summit, the fourth ever of its kind in London, fell during London Tech Week, Europe's biggest technology festival.